Look at this. I just saved an extra $40 on my hosting. If you want to grab this exact same 20% discount for your own website, make sure you watch this video until the end. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it step by step. To get started, look at the description of this video. I've listed my exclusive coupon codes right there, along with a special link. Go ahead and copy one of those codes now, then click the link to head over to the hosting site. These codes are specifically synced to that link, so you'll need to use it to ensure the discount applies. Once you're on the site, click on Claim Deal. Right now, they're even giving away 2 months for free, so it's the perfect time to buy. For this demo, I'm selecting the most popular plan. Keep in mind, my codes work in every country and on all plans. Whether you choose a 12-month, 24-month, or the long-term 48-month option, the discount will work. I'm going to select the 48-month plan here to show you the maximum savings. Scroll down to the payment section and click where it says, Have a coupon code. Now, just paste the code you copied from my description earlier and hit Apply. It's just loading for a second. And there you go. As you can see, the price just dropped, saving me a total of $40. That's a full 20% discount on top of the existing sale. This is easily the best deal you can get right now. Don't wait. Go to the description, click the link, and grab your discount before it expires. Thanks for watching.